do you think the ice cream man became dead?
Well, I think that I have the answer because nobody else knows and I'm the smartest. Well, one night, maybe he went to bed and then some thief tried to steal his van and then he tried to stop them, so they killed him because they didn't want him to stop them. And that's perfectly reasonable.
Well, I think that there was an ice cream shop next door and they wanted more money. So they killed the ice cream man so everyone in the town would come to their ice cream shop and not his.
Well, maybe when the ice cream man was younger, he had a curse put upon him, which means he couldn't be rude to children, and then he was rude to a child and he died because he wasn't really nice to that child.
Well, my idea is what if he was poisoned, he was having a day off, and then somebody said, should he have some ice cream? Because he's the one selling ice cream, not having it himself. So they poisoned the ice cream and gave it to him. Well, maybe a group of kids had accidentally brought their biggest weapons and they were so eager to get their ice cream and they couldn't see the ice cream man standing in front of them, so they ran, and then all their weapons hit the ice cream man and he became dead and all the kids started to cry.
Let's investigate.
Wow, feels like a clue might be in there.
Wow, it feels magical.
Why is this huge?
What's there?
Wait, why?
Oh guys, look! Yeah, I'm gonna go back and find out.
Yeah.
This might be a clue. I'm gonna take it back. T.
P.
W.
R.
K. What does it mean? It doesn't like spell a word.
I recognize it.
I'm not sure. It looks so familiar.
Wait, P for poison.
K for kids.
W for which?
R for rival.
V for spelled TH, yeah. So T for thief. But how is it possible?
That was all our ideas.
It's a mystery.
Dun dun dun!
Why do you think the ice cream man became
Let's investigate.